Turn it around already?
Uh-huh.
You see both of them.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Bunny B along with Beatbox Boone, and we're about to do a camera review on the GoPro 7, which I'll be using, and Beatbox has got the GoPro 8. Let's take a look. All right.
Look at the surfers.
I see them. Hey, Beatbox, let's take a pan to the right. Look at those beautiful dunes. And now, Beatbox, we're gonna pan it to the left. Hey, boy, hey. Man, it's beautiful out here. And as you can tell, it's not as busy either, because it's right after. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, right after a lot of the kids have gone back to school. Beatbox, I want to tune in on that seagrass right there, or whatever you call these things, and let's go in for a close-up. Back it off. And pause. Take in the view. All right, and back. I'm gonna take my flip-flops over here real quick.
All right.
You want to drop yours off?
Yep.
Hold on 1 second. Another pause. Ooh, look at that parasail. The only thing about the GoPros that we have found when filming is you can't really zoom in on them like you can a camera or anything. So we would get those parasails out there, but we'd have to turn the cameras off, zoom in, then turn the cameras back off, zoom out. Unless you know something that we don't know, and let us know.
No,
you know,
I think you got it right.
Okay. Because you know we're new at this and we're old too, so we're not like you young people that are filming. And neither one of us have a stabilizer.
Well, it's stable on the GoPro, but we don't have a gimbal.
Oh, we don't have a gimbal.
Built-in stabilizer.
We don't have a gimbal. Maybe after this we'll get one.
We need to face each other in a minute.
Okay.
You know?
All right, let's see. Can you take it up, Beatbox? Get in the sky. Look at that nice cloud. You never know whenever it's going to storm down here in Myrtle Beach. It could just pop up in 5 seconds. And I'm always the one that says, let's stay. And Beatbox is like, get in. We're about to get rained on. I'm like, yeah, because, you know, we're at the beach. We don't want to get wet. Alrighty. If Beatbox's camera's a little more shaky than mine, that's because he's looking for shark's teeth this early in the morning.
I love shark tooth hunting.
Yes, he does.
All right, so
let's go pan over this way, because
I don't know
how far you want to go with this.
Yeah, but I don't know how it's going to sound either without the mics on there.
Yeah, and both of us are unmiked and what do you call those little teeny things that you clip on us?
Huh?
Little teeny thing.
Yeah, we're just not mic'd.
Okay.
It's using the external microphone.
Okay.
I mean the internal microphone.
But if you're ever coming to this area of the beach, stop in and say, hey, we do the nightly parades every night. Brian absolutely loves that. Where he plays loud music and wears his dreads.
All right, so you think that's pretty good?
Yep, we're gonna pan around whenever the ocean is clear right now. You ready?
Yeah.
And go. All right, so let's take a stroll back this way.
All right.
And then we're gonna turn it off. And that is the end of the GoPro 7, which I have, and the GoPro 8. So we're gonna try to do a split screen so you can see what both of them performed. And that's it.
Yeah.
Hope you like this short video. It's not really about Myrtle Beach, but you did get to see the beach. I mean, it's a bonus.
Right.
So, and as always, keep beaching.